Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to know what comp you will have to go into the TFT, of course if you want to win. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open your TFT game if you have it already in your PC. If you have it, just go and open it up, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through the right client. And if you don't even have the right client, just go and open whatever browser you're using. Here in my case I'm using Brave, and once you open your browser, go to the URL section, type download Rise clients, download League of Legends, or download even TFT. All of those three will open the same, or will take you into the same link, which will download the Rise clients for you. Normally once you download it will be open directly and start downloading whatever game you choose. And if it's not, you can just go and open it up, and once it's open, you'll find yourself with this home screen or this main screen. Here in my games section, you will find the games that's already installed or downloaded into your PC. If you don't find the Teamfight tactics here, so you can just scroll down a bit until you find all games. Click at TFT, make sure to click at this three dots at the bottom left corner, and here you can choose in League of Legends if you want to download this into your PC. You can choose this if you want to download this in your iPhone, or you can choose the Google Play if you want to download this into your Android. So once you download this, you can just go back and open it up. Of course, if you are on PC, it will open the League of Legends. Then it'll actually ask you to log in into your account. So if you have an account, just go and log in into it. But if you don't, you'll have to go back into your browser and actually go and create your account. You can just go here to your URL section back and type create a Riot Games account, which will create an account for you, and it will allow you to play all of their games with the same account. Then, as we said, you will find yourself, once you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself on a client like that. You'll find the play on the top left corner and click on it, go choose TFT, choose the mode, find your match, and accept your match, and you'll find yourself on a game like this. So as we said, is we would like to know what comp we would like to go. So just go back into your browser, this as an example. Now we would like to type best TFT comps. Click on it. Now just go and choose this website. Of course, make sure to enter like a website, not like this, that is full just with the text, so you can, it can be clear for you. We'll just choose this as an example. And now you would like to look for the S tiers comps. As you can see, those S tiers will kind of guarantee for you to get from the top four, and you will actually win the game. So if you don't know what comp you would like to go, just choose some of those, and as you can see, you will be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.